Demon Slayer fans, here's a quick Nezuko inspired makeup look that I did when I went to go watch the Hydrating arc first episode in theaters. Start off with foundation, starting in the center of your face, and then with your foundation brush, buff and blend that out. Then using concealer, I'm just applying that to the under eyes and center of my face just to brighten it up a little bit, and then blend it out. Grab your contour powder and apply under your cheekbones, right where your jawline is and the side of your forehead, and also to the side of your nose. Now quickly brush your brow hairs, and I'm using a brow pencil first to fill it in, and then I'm also using a liquid liner just to the tail end of my brows. For eyeshadow, I'm using Tilbury's Pillow Talk, just the first two shades because we're keeping this very simple. Then using a liquid liner, I'm just retracing my liquid liner from earlier this morning. And then I'm also making little lash strokes on the bottom of my lower lash line. Now that I think about it, this is a bad idea if you're in a hurry because you can easily mess up. For false lashes, I'm going with the House of Lashes style called Wing It Mini. And then for blush, I'm going in with Tilbury's Pillow Talk again and adding a little extra blush right on the apples of my cheekbone for that extra cuteness. And it doesn't hurt to add a little more contour on the nose. Then for lips, I'm just using a gloss from Tilbury, and the lip applicator on this is terrible, by the way. And adding a quick spritz of setting spray to finish off the makeup look. Time to let down the hair and add that cute little pink bow for the final touches of Nezuko, and we are done with the look. So we chose a really bad day to go out because it was cold and it was snowing, but that didn't stop us because we made it. The theater had a nice little fire going for us. Oh my gosh, it felt so good. My son was sporting his Demon Slayer hoodie. And then we also have Tomioka and Tanjiro in the house. After the movies, we took a quick picture and that was it. Did you guys go and watch the Hydrating arc in theaters? What did you think? Leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!